Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bruno from RVing TV, and today we have a new introduction for you. We are at the Forest River Dealer Expo in Elkhart, Indiana, and they have just released the 2024 FR3 Plus. So this has some additional features. It's a step up over the traditional FR3, giving you much more bang for your buck. An absolutely stunning coach. Now this is also not only a new model, but it's a new floor plan, the 33Z. So let's take a little closer look. You're going to notice, quite a bit more of body paint. We've got this magnificent large awning with the LED lights. And let's go inside and take a look at this layout. So as we come in, you're going to notice, of course, it's an A-class gas built on the Ford chassis. So this has the 7.3 liter, 350 horsepower, 468 foot-pounds of torque. We've got our media center here in the center, a workstation for the passenger. As we spin around, a nice large U-shaped style, not really a full U-shape, but it looks like a U-shaped style dinette with nice wide cushions, large dinette table, which is super handy when you have family along with you, solid surface countertops, nice stainless steel sink, and I've liked the way they've done what I call the roll-up cover as well as a wood cutting board cover. Now we have 3-burner range with glass top. We also have the oven down below, our microwave, which is a residential style microwave, and you know that our channel is known for actually peeking into storage and showing you what the storage is like on the various RVs, because that's super important when you're traveling. Now they also have equipped here the theater seats, and these are power theater seats. Nice and super comfortable. We have our fireplace, flat screen TV, and storage in behind the TV. Now, is that not slick? Someone has really been thinking here. So normally this would be space that you'd lose. Now you have all that ability to hide extra gear or maybe even valuables while you're traveling. Nice large fridge. It's a Norcold fridge. Let's pop her open so you can actually see what kind of storage space you have here. And you can see they're using it for water bottles for their guys. And then it's French style with a nice big freezer down below. Midship bath, very popular this year, I'm noticing. There are a lot of midship bath floor plans coming out. Now we have the fiberglass surround, and it has a nice texture in it, which is very different from what you've traditionally seen. And of course, the little stool, which is very handy. Really good countertop space, the stainless steel sink, and again, an abundance of storage that they've tapped into, plus a window, as you can see, with a beautiful shade. Here in the center, we have our washer dryer, and it's a stacking washer dryer, which is very impressive at this price point, as normally traditionally you would have seen combination washer dryers. Nice large wardrobes. Again, we'll take a little peek here to give you an idea of the size of the storage space, and then even the drawers. Nice deep drawers overall. Window, of course, and that little bit of countertop space in the bedroom, which I always talk about. Now, very impressive. The bed is on a slide. Take a look at the space you have here for dressing. There is a lot of room to be able to get dressed inside this unit. So we have our king bed on a slide, storage up above, and as we look at that storage from below, you can see how nice and deep it is. Now, I like the way they've set up the windows and the blinds so that they're not sitting on the outside of the window. They're actually inside the frame, which means you're not going to get that knocking noise and the shaking back and forth if they're halfway down. Very elegant looking, really elevating the coach to a completely different level. As we spin around and we come forward, you'll notice the drop-down bed up above the passenger and driver's area to give you that extra sleeping as well. Super easy to use. Unfortunately, we're not going to do a demo today as this is at the dealer show. So as we finish up our walkthrough here, some great features. Just to highlight being a brand new product line that is released here today. Solid surface countertops, there's a 2000 watt inverter on board. The fridge is actually 15 cubic feet compared to the 10 cubic foot that we see in many models out there, or the 12 cubic foot 4-door absorption fridges. So 15 cubic feet, pretty impressive. The TV, the hiding space. As we look up to the top, one big change, the roof. Traditionally in FR3s have been a solid panel. You'll notice this is actually a soft touch roof. So you're getting more of Georgetown features in the Plus. The furniture, the power seating where it would have normally been manual seating, all these upgrades that are found in this new Plus model that if you're thinking about getting started in the RV lifestyle might be something to check out. Anyways, I'd like to say thank you to you guys. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Please hit the subscribe and the bell and you'll be notified of notifications as new videos come out on Georgetown product and other great manufacturers within the RV lifestyle. Send us your comments. We love to hear your feedback. Thank you very much to you, our subscribers, for making the channel happen, and make sure that you live life to the fullest each and every day. We'll see you out in the campgrounds. Take care.